All right, this is unexpected, but you got to roll with the punches. Hopefully everybody can get here. We're going to give it a few minutes, give people a chance to hop in. I do apologize for the confusion. Love for things to go smooth, but sometimes in life, you know, it doesn't always work out that way, but you got to roll with the punches and try to turn those lemons into some lemonade. This is the NBA Hoops Premium Stock break from eBay, box break number 23. Go ahead and put the list up here so people can kind of see what we're dealing with here. Okay, good, that's good. Man, all right. If you guys could just shout out in the chat right now, let me know that you're here and maybe which teams you got. That way I can kind of have an idea of who is joining us tonight before we start going. The video is going to be uploaded on our YouTube channel later after this. What's going on, Lee? Good to see you, buddy. Yeah, like I said, we're going to upload the video to the new YouTube channel. Apparently, because we're kind of new, not new to breaking, but we're just starting Royal Flush Collectibles, and we have the YouTube channel up and going. They're not allowing us to do live streams yet for whatever reason. We'll have to figure that out going forward. But primarily, a lot of our videos have been done on YouTube here on this channel, as you guys can see. And what's going on, Don? Aman, how are you guys? Good to see you guys. Thanks for joining us. But yeah, so anyways, let's take a look at the list here. We do actually have a couple of teams available if anybody want to pick them up. One of them being the Pelicans, ironically enough. The guy that bid the Pelicans up on eBay did not pay because apparently he said his son hacked his account and started bidding on basketball teams in a break, and he didn't know. So I'm sure that's a legitimate reason. But anyways, go to Twitch, says Lee. I've heard about that, man, and we might actually take a look at that. I've heard that Twitch is pretty sweet too. James, what's going on, dude? Good to see you, man. So like I was saying, the Pelicans are available, bizarrely enough. Looks like we got the Detroit Pistons, the Rockets, and the Kings and the Jazz are also available. If anybody wants the Pistons, Rockets, Kings, and Jazz, we'll do $15 for all four of those teams. $15 for all four of the Pistons, Rockets, Kings, and Jazz. Lee wants the Pelicans. Okay, Lee, let's do the Pelicans for $60. What do you think? $15 for the Pistons, Rockets, Kings, and Jazz. And Lee looks like he's going to take the Pelicans for $60. James, tonight we're breaking 2 mega boxes of NBA Hoops premium stock. We're doing a blue mega and then a red mega. He's going 65 for the Pelicans. I already committed to Lee, my friend. Thanks for the offer, James. I definitely have more of this, so if you and I can talk as usual after the break, if you want, we can hook you up. Or I got some hanger boxes coming in soon too. Give them to James for 65. Okay, well, Lee wants to give James the Pelicans for 65. James, if you want them, they're yours, it looks like. And Lee said he'll take the other 4 teams for 15. That's fine. Go ahead and send the payment to the same place that you sent the other payment, Lee. $15. I prefer it to be friends and family, so there's no fees. And then, of course, you don't pay shipping for the 4 teams. I'll add them to your package of the other teams that you already have. So let me write down. Let me know when you send the payment, Lee. And then James, too. James will take the Pelicans, it looks like. No problem, James. Your money is good in my bank, my friend. For those of you that don't know, James, a really, really good customer of ours. We love those repeat customers. I'm sure James will tell you, and a bunch of other people will tell you, that we always take care of all the buyers. You always are going to get some bonus cards in your packages that you don't see pulled on camera. So value is what it's about for me. Definitely want to set myself aside from other breakers out there, giving you guys a ton of value for your money, and that's just how it's always going to be. So Lee, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Let me get you down for these extra teams. Sacramento Kings, let's see. All right. Thanks, Lee. Appreciate it, dude. So here is the updated list then. Let's go ahead and read off the teams and owners. Atlanta Hawks are going to be going to Christopher K. The Celtics to Jordan. The Brooklyn Nets to Orlando. Christopher K has the Hornets. Leland has the Bulls. Adrian with the Cavs. Rudy with the Mavs. Christopher K with the Denver Nuggets. Lee scooped up the Pistons. Michael A has Golden State. The 4 teams, Lee, here you go. You can see I wrote them here in the red. So you got the Pistons, the Rockets, Kings, and the Jazz. So Lee is Chris K, by the way. Okay. We'll change that. Right, I think we're finally ready. Here we go. All right, where did I stop? All right, the Nuggets go to Christopher K. Chris K also has the Pistons. Michael A with the Golden State Warriors. Chris K with the Rockets. Christopher C with the Indiana Pacers. Daniel with the Clippers. The Lake Show is going to go to Chen. Ashley has the Memphis Grizz. Let's pull you some jaw tonight. Jay has the Heat. The Bucks are going to Don. Christopher C has the T-Wolves. My man James H has the Pelicans. Christopher C has the New York Knicks. Billy with the Thunder. Eric has the Magic and the Sixers. Christopher C with the Phoenix Suns. Portland Trailblazers, I believe that is Christopher C. Forgot the initial there, but I'm sure I can double check that. Thanks, James. Appreciate it, my dude. Chris K has the Kings. Aman has the Spurs. Richard S. with the Raptors. And Chris K. with the Utah Jazz. The Wizards are going to go to Brian. So everybody is paid. We are ready to play. We are going to be having a Mosaic NBA Team All break next Friday. It's going to be a double box break. Those are always fun. I love, love, love some Team All. Okay, I think after all of those hiccups, we are finally ready to get cracking. Let's do this. All right, got some top loaders ready. Let's start with the small one first. Looks like the only thing I do not have is a trash bag, but James, I don't know if I really am trying not to list stuff on eBay anymore. I mean, you guys get hit with fees and taxes and stuff, or I get hit with fees and you guys get smacked with taxes. So that's why we started Royal Flush Collectibles on YouTube or on Facebook. We're trying to essentially do live breaks on either Facebook Live, Instagram, and then someone also mentioned earlier tonight, possibly Twitch. But we'll see. It's a new year. We kind of want to switch it up and try to see if we can. I mean, obviously, the more I save on fees, the more I can give back to you guys in terms of graded cards. I have a ton of cards at PSA right now that I want to include in future breaks. And we're not talking about garbage players. You know how it is, James. I mean, we're talking about like Kobe White, RJ Barrett rookies and stuff like that. I even got some Ja and Zion rookies that I want to include for free in surprise giveaways coming up. And so yeah, if we can do that, if we can kind of get away from eBay, I would prefer it, but it's still kind of hard, starting off and being kind of new. That's why, the more friends you guys refer, the better for us, and the quicker we can get everything scaled up. Right now I'm probably going to list it on the Facebook page, James, on Royal Flush Collectibles on Facebook. And I'll see, or at least I'll do the top tier teams there to save you guys on the taxes. And then maybe I'll package like some of the smaller teams that don't sell as well, like, Pacers, Kings, whatever, and throw those on eBay. But for whatever reason, man, it's going to be, the Team All break is going to be for next Friday, same time, a week from now. Have you guys done any breaks yet on these NBA Hoops premium stock? These cards are beautiful, man. Like, I was not a big fan of NBA Hoops, but I'll shoot you the link, James. You'll get it, dude. You'll get it in enough time for sure. Make sure my camera is. There we go. All right, we got one empty box. Kind of cool, little hardwood. Looks like an NBA court. Kind of neat. All right, so let's see. We got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 packs. Looks good. Let's move this guy over here for a second. All right, good luck, everyone. Let's do this. This is actually my first break for NBA Hoops Premium stock. First time is the charm. Pack number 1. Good luck, us. Starting off with a Lake Show Laker, Alex Caruso. We got Andre for the Heat. Andrew Wiggins for the Golden State Warriors. Bogdan Bogdanovic, Sacramento Kings. We got a Patrick Beverley for the Clippers. Got some color in the back here coming up. KZ Okpala, rookie for the Miami Heat. I'm actually liking this kid a little bit more every time I see him play. Our green cracked ice is going to be Brian Forbes for the Sacramento or the San Antonio Spurs. And we do have a Goga Batazzi arriving now insert. These are some sweet looking cards. Not numbered, but a cool insert nonetheless. Looks a little 70s-ish. A little retro action. Yeah, let's pull you some Zions, man. That'd be sweet. There we go. We got an AD for the Lake Show Lakers. Possible MVP, Joker for the Denver Nuggets. Looks like we got a card that's sticking here. Terrence Ross for the Orlando Magic. Derek Jones Jr. for the Miami Heat. Robert Covington, Houston. We got an Isaiah Roby. Yeah, I agree, Lee. Joker's he's playing out of his mind, man. That guy is a savage. Literally, clearly the best passing center of all time. Green cracked ice is going to be Kyle Lowry for the Toronto Raptors. Followed by another green. Rui Hachimura for Washington. That is a sick hit. Tribute. Prism. Nice card for the Washington Wizards. So Rui, tribute rookie, is going to be the first to make it into the VIP section. Very nice. Obviously, he's going to go on a top loader, but for now, we'll just be chilling back there. Brooklyn Nets. Rodionis, interesting name. Aaron Holiday for the Pacers. Tyler Johnson for the Brooklyn Nets. Josh Okogie for the Dallas Mavs. Yeah, I know, James, but wasn't he hurt? Didn't he have like an eye problem or something like that? Here we go. Sekou Doumbouya for the Detroit Pistons. There you go. Nice $15 pickup there for my man Chris K. THT, Lake Show Lakers, Talon Horton Tucker. Our green cracked ice is going to be a rookie. Not the one we wanted to see, but it's still a green cracked ice, Cody Martin. And on the back end, we have an Indiana Pacer Malcolm Brogdon Prism. Silver Prism for Indiana. These packs are definitely strange to open. Yeah, I've been seeing those game delays. It kind of sucks. Like, I'm sure I mentioned this in previous videos. I actually sports bet a lot, and a lot of these cancellations have kind of sucked. John Henson for the Muppets. Oh, I'm sorry, the Detroit Pistons. Was that for the Muppets? Nope, he's a Piston. John Henson. Wrong Henson. We got a Steph Curry. Golden State. Steph Curry base. Get ready to splash a 3 on somebody, probably. Man, tough luck Marquez Fultz for the Orlando Magic. Hopefully this guy can come back. It kind of sucks. This guy's going through more bad luck than he deserves. Trevor Ariza for Portland. There you go, James. You like this guy? What do you think of Ariza? I know James is a huge Portland Trailblazer fan. Nasir Little, back-to-back Portland Trailblazers. Nasir Little, rookie. Dean Wade. Every product I've ever seen opened of this NBA Hoops premium stock, Dean Wade is in the package. Whether it be a mega box, a hanger, a blaster, or a single cello pack, you're guaranteed to get Dean Wade. Mo Bamba, green cracked ice, Orlando. And on the back, what is this? Number 1. Look at what we have here, guys. Kevin Durant, Lights, Camera, Action, Prism, Brooklyn. Very big hit for the Brooklyn Nets. This is going out to Orlando. There you go, my man. That is a pretty sick card. Go ahead and show this one some love. KD. Having a big year this year, too. Nets looking like savages. James, I haven't talked to you in a while, man. What do you think about the James Harden trade? Looking like they're trying to stack it up to beat up on LeBron, man. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist for the Dallas Mavericks going to start us off. Thaddeus Young for the Chicago Bulls. I do bet on football, but mostly futures, James. I hate betting, usually week to week. Mitchell Robinson for the New York Knicks. Fred VanVleet, Toronto. I can't escape Jeremy Lamb. There he is, and he's making that same look he always makes. Apparently, this is his basketball look. We got a Charles Barkley tribute for the Phoenix Suns. Old school right there. Our green cracked ice is going to be Austin Rivers for the Houston Rockets. And the prism on the back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, Tim Hardaway Jr. I saw it could have been Luka with a tan. Tim Hardaway Jr. Prism. Yeah, I guess they're going to try to keep that big 3 out there for the whole game. I saw it. I mean, man, my boy Karis LeVert gets pushed out of town. I was looking forward to him balling with KD, but it is what it is, man. We got Draymond Green starting us off for the Golden State Warriors, followed by Miles Bridges, Charlotte Hornets. Buddy for the Sacktown Kings. Frank Ntilikina New York Knicks. Bull, there's a big hit. Bull, base rookie. Denver Nuggets. Nice hit for Denver. Christopher K. There you go, buddy. Quinn Cook for the Lake Show Lakers. Luka would look nice with a tan. I agree, Don. Chris Paul. Cracked ice. OKC Thunder. And on the back, we got another lights, camera, action. This one is a banger. Lights, camera, action, Zion Williamson. Boom. I do bet on NBA, James. I took... what do you think of this bet? I took LaMelo Ball to win the Rookie of the Year. I want to say that the odds were somewhere along the lines of... I think I got him like 6-1 maybe. But then I also bet on LaMelo Ball to win the MVP this year. Sounds funny, but I was getting 2,500 to 1, so I know that's probably a stupid bet and I wasted my money, but hey, you know. Yeah, you know, I have the Atlanta Hawks to win the East, which is a tough one. I also have them to... I got Luka to win the MVP. Can't remember what odds I got him. It's fairly low. Jamal Murray starting us off for the Denver Nuggets. No, I didn't bet tonight, James. Bazemore. Sacktown Kings. Josh Jackson. Memphis Grizzlies. This guy, feel free to pronounce his name for me. Ilyasova. Irzan Ilyasova for the Milwaukee Bucks. There we go. We got a Taco in the house. Taco Fall. When's this guy going to get some playing time? Moritz Wagner. Wasn't this guy a beast at Wisconsin? Took the Lakers +2. Nice. Green cracked ice is going to be Jabari Parker for the Sacramento Kings. It seems like there's a ton of Sacramento Kings in NBA hoops. Our silver prism on the back is going to be a Cavalier. Unfortunately, it's McKinney. I was hoping for a Darius Garland or maybe a Colin Sexton. But instead, we get Alfonso McKinney. Final pack of the first Mega. Yeah, there's been a ton of people out with COVID. See, my man Kendrick Nunn went off the other night. Tyler Hero's not playing. Oh, that's right. Mo Wagner was at Michigan. That's right. I knew he was somewhere around that region. Kyle Kuzma for the Lake Show Lakers. Dean Wade. Yeah, exactly. I'm surprised it wasn't Dean Wade, to be honest with you. Harry Giles III, another Sacramento King. I think we've pulled every single Sacramento King in the entire roster. For whatever reason, this card does not want to stop sticking. Dennis Smith Jr., New York Knicks. There we go, another banger. Kobe White, Chicago Bulls. Leland, there you go, my man. Nice hit for the Bulls. Followed by an R.J. Barrett tribute rookie card. Another nice hit. Our green cracked ice is going to be a Chicago Bull, Wendell Carter Jr. Nice hit for the Bulls. Bulls running right here. And on the back, we have an NBA Hoops. Is this NBA City? Nope. It is Get Out the Way. Insert Karl Anthony Towns. That was a nice pack. Nice pack to finish it off. Sleeve up to RJ Barrett for sure. And sleeve up Kobe White. Let's do this. Let's start top loading these bad boys because I don't like bent corners. I treat these cards as if they were my own. I wouldn't want somebody being careless with my cards, so I'm not careless with yours. I actually was in a break last week. I felt kind of bad, but I bought into a break. I won't mention the guy's name on eBay, but he was doing a break with his, I want to say he was probably like 6, 7, or 8 years old, his son. And he literally was letting his son open the packs and like flip through the cards. And I mean, it was kind of cute, you know. I have kids myself. But at the same time, when you're spending hundreds of dollars on a break, I really don't think it's the appropriate time to let Junior, you know, learn how to be a breaker. But yeah, I don't know. Kind of on the fence about that one. Let's see, here we go. We'll put some of those exclusive ones on the back. Hoping to get a bunch more out of this box. Here we go, second box of the break. This is the big one. We are looking for 10 exclusive red cracked ices in this box. These are the boxes that I really like, the blue ones. No problem, Lee. No problem. Thank you very much, James. I appreciate that, my man. Yeah, I just, you know, no sense to be careless with cards. I like to, you know, I send stuff to PSA myself, so group submissions. It doesn't take that much extra effort to be cautious with people's products, so. Empty box. Here we go. Count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 in the blue boxes as opposed to 8 in those red ones. Here we go. Let's pull it for you tonight, James. I would love to do that, man. You know, you usually have some pretty good luck with me in breaks, so let's keep that luck rolling, man. Pull you another. We got one Zion in the first box, so let's pull another one. Let's pull 2. Where's my man Ja at, too? George Hill going to start us off for the Milwaukee Bucks. D'Angelo Russell, Minnesota T-Wolves. Fultz again, Orlando. Trevor Ariza again. We got a Tremont Waters rookie for the Boston Celtics. This one's going out to Jordan. Valanciunas for the Memphis Grizzlies. Our first red cracked ice is going to be a Pelican. It's Jackson Hayes. Oy. And on the back, Pistons, Sekou Doumbouya. I love this insert. Class of 2019. It literally shows the entire draft class. Really cool insert. Home run as far as I'm concerned for NBA Hoops on that insert. Really sweet. I know he's Jackson Hayes, but we're going to go ahead and sleeve my man up. All these red cracked ice rookies, and really honestly, almost all of them are going to be sleeved up for you guys. And you never know, Jackson Hayes got some hops, man. Seen that guy dunk, block. Would have loved to pull that Zion there, but hey, Jackson Hayes. Can't have steak every night, right? Wesley Matthews is going to start us off for the Milwaukee Bucks, followed by K-Love, Cleveland Cavs. Tyler Johnson for the Brooklyn Nets. Josh Okogie, T-Wolves. Jalen Noel for the Minnesota Timberwolves, rookie. Our red cracked ice is coming up after Dame Dollar. Tribute insert for the Portland Trailblazers. I thought there was some damage on the card there, but it's actually just how the card is made is pretty cool. Nicholas Batum for the Charlotte Hornets is going to be our red cracked ice in this pack. Top load. You want me to top load the Jackson Hayes? For sure, James. No problem. Absolutely done. Our silver prism is going to be Jeremy Grant. This guy is honestly balling out of his head right now. Just so I don't forget, James, let's do it now. Not that I would forget, but there you go. Put him next to your Zion. I agree, man. Jeremy Grant playing like he's playing like the league owes him money or something, man. He's like his kids' lives are on the line or something. But he's balling. AD starting us off for the Lake Show Lakers. There we go. Where's Bronny at? Another Joker. Another Harry Giles the third. Dennis Smith Jr. again. Knicks. Forbes again. Is this NBA Hoops got like a run like Mosaic, I think? We do get a green in here, and it's going to be Kobe White. Sick. Kobe White Prism Tribute. Nice hit for the Chicago Bulls. Leland hit the base Kobe White earlier, and now we got a green prism. Derek White is going to be our red cracked ice for the San Antonio Spurs, and we have a frequent Flyers prism on the back. Jason Tatum for the Boston Celtics. This one's going out to Jordan. That is a sweet looking insert. These are not numbered, but very sick. I like that. Christopher Cook, how you doing, my man? We did get an RJ Barrett. So far, we got a base RJ Barrett tribute. Hopefully not the last RJ Barrett. Let's do it. Get this blade out of my way so I don't slice one of my thumbs off. Take my man. Are the Lakers playing right now, James? Is that game already going on? If so, what's the score? Do you know? Little double Kobe White action. There we go. $91.83. Nice. Christian Wood going to start us off for the Detroit Pistons. followed by Batum, Charlotte Hornets, A-Dub, Wiggins, Golden State, Bogdanovich again, making his second appearance for the Sacramento Kings. There we go. Cameron Johnson for the Phoenix Suns. Nice hit for Christopher C. Base rookie Cameron Johnson. I like it. Justin James, another Sacramento King. Our red cracked ice is going to be a Detroit Piston. It's Christian Wood. And on the back end, we have another Prism. Who's this going to be? It is Marvin Bagley III. Get out the way insert. Very sick looking Prism insert for the, of course, you guessed it, Sacramento Kings. No, these boxes were not purchased at a Target in Sacramento, but sure does seem like it. Marvin Bagley. I know, I mean, literally, I think we've pulled every single King. Except Chris Webber. I think Chris Webber's the only King. And White Chocolate, Jason Williams. If we pull White Chocolate or Chris Webber, man, I don't know what to say. Bogdanovich, Utah Jazz, followed by the Kardashian Hunter, Tristan Thompson, Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks, Fred VanVleet, Toronto, Harrison Barnes for, you guessed it, the Sacramento Kings. There we go. Short Shorts Larry Bird tribute for the Boston Celtics. Our red cracked ice. Come on, be someone good. It's a Pacer, TJ Warren, Indiana. Our Prism on the back is going to be a Brooklyn Nets. I'm just glad it's not a Sacramento King. It's the Fro, Jared Allen. Nice card for the Brooklyn Nets. What's Jared Allen going to do this year? We got an upside down Curix for the Brooklyn Nets, followed by an Aaron Holiday, Indiana, Portland Trailblazers, Hassan Whiteside. Will we get a pack without a Sacramento King? Dylan Brooks, Memphis Grizzlies. Come on, Jaw. We want to see Jaw. We got an Atlanta Hawk. It's Cam Reddish, rookie. There we go. ATL, Christopher K. Cam Reddish, rookie. I like it. Followed by Daniel Gafford, rookie. Chicago Bulls. Our red cracked ice is going to be a Houston Rocket. It is Robert Covington. And on the back, the insert is going to be Kevin Knox Jr., the second. Throw my man Cam Reddish in a sleeve real fast. Down to our final 4 packs. It's been a while since we put something in the VIP section. Let's go. Is this the pack to do it? I hope so. Alex Caruso for the Lake Show Lakers. Still yet to see a LeBron, a Ja, or a Giannis for that matter. Josh Jackson, Memphis. Come on. Milwaukee Bucks. Cody Martin again. Charlotte Hornets, rookie. We got a Shaq Diesel tribute insert for the Lake Show Lakers. Our red cracked ice is going to be Nicholas Claxton. It's a rookie. That's pretty nice. Nicholas Claxton. So on the back, we do have a silver Washington. Boom. That is a banger for sure. Rui Hachimura Silver Prism. Big hit for Washington. Brian, congratulations, my man. That and that Kobe White, I think. Rui Hachimura killing it in this break. We already pulled the Tribute Green Prism. Now you have the base silver. So a huge hit. Probably the hit of the break. Rui Hachimura come to play tonight. Congratulations, Brian. Come on, Jaw. Come on, Zion. A Robin Lopez is going to start us off. We do have something interesting in this pack, I can see. Yang for Memphis. We're hitting all of the Grizzlies except the one that we want. Willie Cauley-Stein for Dallas. Mike Scott for the Sixers. Yeah, Jordan, what's going on, buddy? We did hit this frequent flyer prism of Jason Tatum. Pretty sick card. It's not numbered, but it's still very cool. We did hit a Taco Fall, I believe, earlier too, for the Boston Celtics, and a Larry Bird insert, if I recall. Ooh, that is a nice rookie. Dwayne Wade tribute insert for the Miami Heat. What do we have behind him? It is a San Antonio Spur rookie. Quindary Witherspoon. Man, I wish it was Keldon Johnson. Witherspoon Silver Prism. Very nice hit for the San Antonio Spurs. We got... what's going on here? Double red. NBA Hoops. Cleveland Cavs. Tristan Thompson. And on the back, Portland Trailblazers, CJ McCollum silver. Down to our final two packs. I want to see my man, Ja Morant. Michael Kidd Gilchrist is going to start us off. Thaddeus Young for the Chicago Bulls. Buddy again. Sacramento Kings. Frank the Tank. New York Knicks. There we go. Boom. Ja Morant base. He didn't let us down. Nice hit for the Memphis Grizzlies. Looks like we got a Goga Batotsi coming up behind Ja. So almost the midnight hour. And Ja shows up. Rather show up late than never. Man, Ja in the house. Let's put him here. He grabs some more penny sleeves. You know how I do it, James. Tell the people. This break to me hasn't been as exciting, and because of all the hiccups and stuff and all the problems, let's have some fun. I believe that there is a gold frequent flyers card in the back of this pack, on the very back. Whoever hits that gold frequent flyers card is also going to win a Tyler Hero Optic Prism. Let's do a giveaway right now. I feel it. I want to do it. Who's going to get the Tyler Hero? He's going home with whoever hits this frequent flyer card. Goga Batazzi. Our red cracked ice is going to be Bogdanovich. Who's going to win the Tyler Hero? It's the Chicago Bulls. Coby White. Boom. A nice hit all in itself. Coby White is going to take home a Tyler Hero rookie optic. Boom. There we go. Love those. Love those random giveaways. Have some excitement. So Coby White going to take home Tyler Hero. Put them to the side. Sweet. Who's got the Bulls? Leland. Is that you? Is Leland here? Should we give it to somebody else if Leland's not here? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Leland, you won it fair and square, my friend. You don't have to be here. I prefer that you were here. I prefer that you would like and subscribe to the Facebook channel, RoyalFleshCollectibles.com, .com. Royal Flesh Collectibles. We're down to our final pack, but I kind of want to give something else away too. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. How about this? Whatever the last card is in this last pack, you're going to get a Luminance Zion Williamson rookie. What do you guys think? Good enough? Pretty cool? Sorry about all the confusion. This is how I'm going to make it up to you guys. I wish the break would have went off without a hitch. You guys should be watching right now live on YouTube, but they didn't let us do it. It is what it is. But hey, somebody's going to win a Zion Williamson Luminance ready for PSA. What is this card right now on eBay? $150? Nobody paid for a team in this break $150. So somebody's going to get a nice little late Christmas present. Last card takes it. Good luck, everyone. This is how we do it. I feel like it's Friday night, even though it's Thursday. Royal Flush Collectibles. Hopefully everybody joins our group on Facebook. If you haven't joined, please join. Me and my man Pat, we do a ton of breaks. We're doing a ton of stuff. We do soccer, we do hockey, we do basketball, we do all kinds of stuff, football. Join our breaks. Please visit the YouTube channel. Give us some subs and maybe watch some videos. If you're bored, just let them play. I don't know. It's good for the algorithm, I believe. But anyways, without further ado, love that you've earned my business, my dude. Thank you, Lee. I appreciate it, dude. If it's a bull, someone's going to get hurt. It might be a Sacramento King. Let's be honest. Sacramento Kings have a great chance of winning this Zion because there is a ton of Sacramento Kings in NBA hoops. Let's do it. John the Muppet Henson, Detroit. Steph Curry. Better hold these tight. I don't want to expose that last card. Spicy P, Pascal Siakam for the Toronto Raptors. Hey, it's Evan Fournier, and he's not jumping like the Mosaic card. Orlando Magic. There's my man, Darius Garland for the Cleveland Cavs having a big, big year. Another Kobe White. This time it is a tribute rookie. It is officially a crime scene for the Chicago Bulls. They are killing it tonight. Our red cracked ice is going to be Dennis Schroeder, OKC. That leaves us with one card. Who's it going to be? We're going to tear the Band-Aid off, folks. Who's going to take home the Zion Luminance? It's going to be a quick one. Who do we got? It is the Houston Rockets. Daniel House Jr. Silver Prism. Houston, congratulations. That is, I believe, is Chris K. My man Chris K is going to win this Zion Williamson Luminance rookie. Congratulations. Thank you guys so much for joining me on a Thursday night. Spending an hour of your time with me. I appreciate it. I hope you guys come back again. Let's do a quick recap. The Houston Rockets got Daniel House Jr. Silver. I know it's, not the greatest card, but hey, the reason why he's going to go in a top loader is because it's taken home as Zion. So congratulations to Houston, Chris K. Boom. We also have Kobe White and the Chicago Bulls taking home a Tyler Herro rookie. What is that, a blue laser, I believe, purple maybe? Frequent Flyers insert Prism. Jason Tatum for the Boston Celtics. RJ Barrett tribute rookie. Ja Morant base rookie. Memphis Grizzlies. Lights, camera, action insert KD. It is a Silver Prism insert. Nice hit for Brooklyn. We do have a red cracked ice base rookie, Jackson Hayes. I wish it was Zion, but Zion did make an appearance with a lights, camera, action insert. So Kobe White, though, really the star of the break. Chicago Bulls, you get the tribute green prism and a base Kobe White rookie. Very nice. Last but not least, Rui Hachimura came out swinging in this break for the Washington Wizards. We do have a silver prism base rookie of Rui Hachimura with a green prism tribute insert rookie. Very, very sweet. That will do it, guys. I appreciate it. Next week, we're going to have two breaks. We're going to have that T-Mall break coming up, and then I also am going to do another NBA Hoops break. This one's going to feature another mega with two blasters. And you know how we're going to do it, man. We're going to do it the same way we did it here. Random surprise giveaways is what I like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I appreciate it. Thumbs up the video. Thank you so much. Join our new Facebook group again, Royal Flush Collectibles. It's there. So thanks, guys. That was 2 boxes. Yes, it was, Jordan. 2 boxes, my friend. Thanks, guys. See you next time.